to the vlog, weekend vlogs.
Alright boys, just like the last weekend vlogs, some of these videos are going to be vertical and some of them are going to be horizontal. That's just how it's going to be for all the weekend vlogs, so you're going to have to frickin' deal with it, alright? Alright, welcome back to weekend vlogs and enjoy weekend vlog 6, baby.
I mean, it's not weekend.
7. I think I'm losing my mind.
Look to the camera, say hello.
Yo, my name is Titty Tashion, and welcome back to the vlog.
What up? His name is Ching Chong Wing Wong Chicka Chicka Bing Bong, and this is vlog 6.
Woo!
Wow!
Welcome back to vlog.
So we've been doing a lot of weekend vlogs lately.
Fine, jeez.
We've been doing a lot of weekend vlogs lately.
And so we wanted to change it up, and we're gonna be doing
Something amazing.
Yeah, so,
exploring downtown.
no, shut up. I can't say the city name. But this is a dead end. We're just walking into a corner.
Oh.
Something good.
Little bit.
Guys, it's not raining, it just sounds like that.
Yo, look at that.
So, boys, we're going to be filming. My camera's getting wet, so we're going to stop this shot. Stay
go
there.
under?
Oh, get out of the way! Oh, my. Yeah, today,
Get ready.
we're hanging out in this dope town. Dopey. I swear, if you hit me with that snowball.
Nice shot!
Every weekend, almost every weekend, we go to this store, okay? I'm gonna crash into the tree. It's a really fun store. They have lots of cool stuff. So, I'd like to introduce you all to General 45.
Not sponsored by General 45.
Welcome to...
Candy cane, where the candy meets cane.
A montage of like Journal 45, like, you know, like, are you filming?
Oh, hey there.
It's non-alcoholic.
Keep all your knives in and stuff, that'd be dope.
Oh yeah, Smoke Pup joined us.
Look at this.
Do you like that?
Dope.
Oh yeah, that's pretty sick.
Actually dope. This
No,
one's
I
better.
like the black
I
one.
like the black one.
That's racist.
I like peas. Oh yeah, that's easy.
On my phone. I don't want to die.
Oh yeah.
Whatever, I don't care.
Oh.
I can't do it. Sick.
Yeah, you should.
Whoa! What is this?
What? Could you go down? Could you go down?
Well, I've done all I can do.
My gosh. Ow!
Welcome back to Weekend Vlogs. I'm Daddy 6.
Today we were cooking up. Today we're warming up chicken. So the first thing you're gonna want to do is get your pickles for your chicken sandwich. Correct? We've already gone a few steps ahead. So then you're gonna want to get your premium protein shake, and you're gonna dump it all over the counter, and you're gonna freaking slap an egg on there for good measure. Also, you're probably just gonna want to slap all the eggs on there for good measure. You're gonna want to dump out all your water, and you're gonna want to eat the chicken. So that's it for today's sandwich making reviews. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out. Welcome back to Weekend Vlog 6. We're here at the theater and we just got
Tokyo
We
Joe's.
just got Tokyo Joe's.
Not sponsored by Tokyo Joe's.
And
Dude, I feel like
we're
I'm
here
gonna
with,
go in food
What is
coma.
your YouTube name?
I like how he just said, I think I'm gonna go in a food coma, and we totally ignore him and just talk about Carson's YouTube name. Like, what the heck?
What is your YouTube name?
Karsten Solsley.
Yeah, it's just your normal name. Alright. Yeah, so we just got Tokyo Joe's and
Shopping.
Daddy.
so we're gonna go over to Chick-fil-A and get my food. And what are you getting? You eating at Chick-fil-A too?
Possibly.
Huh?
And I'm gonna get a haircut.
Yeah, we're gonna get him. We're gonna get him a hot haircut. So
So
we'll see y'all in the.
See you later in the. Not sponsored by Chick-fil-A.
You're Chick-fil-A boys.
And then literally I was like, oh.
This guy named Ron used to work here, and yeah, now he doesn't.
That's really sad. Alright guys, so we just left Chick-fil-A and
Hi, by the way, right now we're going to the pet store.
Yeah,
so we'll see you on the flip flop.
Not sponsored. Yeah, you know what? I think you guys get it.
This degenerate loser stole this baby French bulldog on 3/15/19. If you know her or have any
That is a hot dog. Now that is a boxer, and boxers can be dangerous.
look at that dog, it's looking in the window.
No, we don't do that, sweetie.
side of the wall. Dude, it kind of reeks.
Hey, bud.
Okay.
Hello. Polly, want a cracker? You want a cracker, big boy?
No, don't do
Dude,
that.
he's gonna bite your finger off.
Oh, hey, big boy. Papa? Papa? He's like shaking.
Why are we talking to a parent?
This one's kind of retarded.
Yeah. He's like, oh, shoot, what do you want, big boy? I'll kill you. You want smoke, bro? I'll kill you, dude. Oh, we want a peanut. Let me get a peanut. I'll be back.
Can I call you Gerald? If you squawk, that's a yes. If you don't, that's a no. Can I call you Gerald? Oh, let's go.
Hey, buddy.
I told you his name's Gerald.
Oh. Now we're trying to talk now?
What?
Dude, that's awesome.
Dude, you're smart,
Look,
Gerald.
look. Look, he knows how to get the peanuts inside.
Yeah, people.
It's a
feed him.
parrot, dude. He's smart.
Now I gotta make him talk. Now,
Gerald.
Where's the bacon?
Gerald, tell us where the bacon is.
Hey, Bubs. Want a dog? Okay. Dude, he sounds like me when I'm on my period.
Oh, his name is Bob the parrot.
Oh, Bob. Bob.
No, he answered. Squawk if your name is. Squawk if your name is Bob.
Bob, do you want to talk? Bob, do you want to talk?
Gerald. Oh, see, I told you.
He just said
it's Gerald.
peekaboo.
Peekaboo.
Yeah. You enjoy that peanut bar. It's the
Wow.
last one you'll ever get.
Let's look at the cute animal.
Hey. Put on top. Put on top.
Yeah, just set it. No. You're just set it right here.
You don't like bust your face open, buddy. Dancing on the pole in the club. Ooh, ooh.
Yeah, get it.
You guys want the keys?
You guys won't say it like that.
You want the keys? Do you guys want the keys?
They want them.
You want the keys, don't you? You guys want the keys, don't you? Whoa, dude.
Oh, jeez. Calm down. They're just keys. Yeah.
No, I get the keys. Give me the keys. Give me the keys.
Dog, let go of the keys. Let go.
What's the keys? Hey, get the keys. Oh, jeez.
Nice.
So you're like, where are all the hamsters, right? Hop into the club.
Oh.
Hold on. Let me see if it'll bite me. Oh no, I hate these things.
Oh my.
One time I saw like 10 of them in here.
Yo, there's bunnies. Why do you hate bunnies?
Come here, buddy.
Oh,
Like, literally, he goes like this, and he just like grabs a hand. Grab a hand. I just hate rodents. Oh my, they scare me so bad. Let's get one in a tube.
that one looks pretty thick.
Yeah. Hamsters love the tube. The tube, boys.
Freaking double. Oh man.
The other
Oh,
one's
did I-
like, you good, bro?
Gotta get another one.
Dude, you're gonna go green him. Oh my gosh.
Do it again.
Disgusting.
Do it again, little guy. Open up.
There's a white one.
He's just sitting.
Oh, frick, he's a jumpy one.
I thought the lead singer of this song was
We need him to run. He's just sitting there.
We just shove him all.
We just put him all on the wheel. Off the wheel. Yeah.
I literally was choking that white one. He was like, Dude, I feel like this video is gonna be way too long for.
He's like,
Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Okay.
Bob the
This
Feister.
kind of reminds me of my girlfriend, cause
Because she doesn't exist.
I like how there's so many like nice puppies and we're like filming all the animals that no one else likes. It's not freaking Jared, okay? Name right.
Look at him.
bitch.
He's freaking bobbing his head, bro.
Who the f are
Yeah,
you?
that's why his name's Bob.
Jared.
Bob.
Oh, Jared.
You see that up there? Look at that. Come back here. Come back here.
Oh, there's an actual. Does he just stay there?
Yeah.
Dude, it's a lizard.
Bro, look at the lizard.
He doesn't
buddy.
like crawl down at all.
Yeah, sometimes.
Bob. Hey.
Oh my, look at this man. That looks like me when I get the munchies.
Oh yeah. Look at these two kill each other. Oh my gosh. This one is just so happy that people are here. Oh my. How'd that feel?
A little painful, yeah, man.
Okay.